Hi, my name is Jennifer Bradley, celebrity makeup artist. I'm going to show you my tutorial on basic eyeshadow. I'm here at the Academy of Glam Studios with my lovely model, Taylor Torino. We're going to just use two eyeshadows, a contrast and a highlighter. The highlighter color is like this. The contrast color is going to be a deep chocolate brown. This is going to make a deep shade in the crease of her eye. We're going to use a brush like this with the highlighter color. We're going to apply the highlighter color all over the eye, from the corner of her eye over. Do this on both eyes. And then we're going to use a brush like this and put the contrasting color right in the crease of her eye. Now the point of using this deeper shade is to make her eyes look bigger and wider and more youthful. The highlighter color will bring everything forward, and the contrasting color is going to make everything look deeper. But you can just take two colors for basic eyeshadow to create a very classic eyeshadow look. And that is my tutorial on how to do basic eyeshadow. This has been Jennifer Bradley, celebrity makeup artist. Thank you very much for watching.